birds up flying this good Saturday. Yes, sir. Now it's time to do a little bit of cleaning. Yeah, I toss a little white sand in my coop. It helps scrape up the poop. That's why I like to put that white sand in it. Nice quick clean. Nothing too bad. Nice quick clean. Round 2. Do a little box cleaning. How you doing? Yeah. They hatched. Yeah. Yep, box all clean, sand up. Big difference. Big difference. Big difference. There's not that bad, so I'm gonna leave her alone. I'm gonna leave her alone. I ain't gonna mess with her. Yeah, buddy. That's gonna be a beautiful barless white flight. Hey man, if you got any questions, man, shoot me down in the comment, Any questions? You need help on your pigeons? Any questions, man? Just let me know.